Industries is a diversified stock-quoted group with an extensive portfolio of products and activities. Coating of technical textiles, manufacturing of protective clothing, production of fine chemicals and processing of technical textiles. Vertical and horizontal integration, diversification and permanent growth provide a solid basis for a promising future. SIOEN Industries is global market leader in coated technical textiles, market leader in technical protective clothing, niche specialist in fine chemicals, global player in the processing of technical textiles. Our strengths: vertical integration, making us independent of suppliers. This gives us a great competitive advantage. Technical knowledge and experience. SIOEN products have one common denominator, namely technicity, a hands-on, non-bureaucratic corporate culture. We are continually using our technical knowledge to explore new markets and develop new products and processes. We want to continue to grow and be the market leader in all our activities. The products of SIOEN Industries play an important role in our daily lives. They protect us and our possessions and ensure a better quality of life. For instance, SIOEN provides filters for our drinking water, truck tarpaulins, protective clothing for emergency services and products to reinforce roads. Other SIOEN products ensure that we are safe in our cars or protect us from weather and wind while we work or do sport. SIOEN Industries has companies in Belgium, France, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Portugal, Poland, Ukraine, Tunisia, Indonesia, China and the United States. The activities of SIOEN Industries are split into 4 divisions: SIOEN Chemicals, Coating, Clothing and Industrial Applications. The SIOEN plants in Belgium and France produce pigment pastes, inks and varnishes, amongst other things. Pigment pastes are used for coloring polyurethane and PVC coatings, but also for acrylic resins and silicones. They're used in end products such as textiles and floors, interior decoration, mattress and furniture protectors, as well as sanitary products and even luxury yachts. Our brands include EMB, Inducolor and Richard Colorant. Our range also includes solvent or water-based varnishes and UV-resistant pastes. Under the brand Filink, SIOEN Chemicals produces inks for wide and super wide format digital printers. SIOEN Chemicals is a new, successful and fast expanding division. SIOEN has specialized in technical coated textiles for more than 50 years. Coating means literally laying a protective layer on a carrier. The end result are technical textiles that are waterproof, fireproof, anti-static or printable, and offer protection against wind, rain, cold and chemicals. The production process consists of spinning, weaving and coating. Every year in the modern spinning mill in Mouscron, SIOEN processes 16,000 tons of granules into polyester high tenacity yarns. Some of the yarns are processed in the twisting plant. In the weaving mills, SIOEN uses the yarns to weave base cloth that is later coated. Each weaving mill also has its own specialist area, such as yachting sails and airbags. The SIOEN production plants consist of the most modern buildings and machines. The factories operate around the clock. SIOEN Industries is constantly investing in automation, high technology and new machinery. This, together with the investment in personnel, means better quality and higher efficiency. SIOEN is the only company in the world that masters 5 different coating techniques. In addition, SIOEN produces everything in-house. The 8 coating lines are some of the most up-to-date in the world. The direct coating production lines are unique and coat front and back in one movement or run. In direct coating, the PVC paste is applied directly to the cloth. With direct coating and under the SIOEN brand name, we make truck tarpaulins, side curtains, sports mats and swimming pool covers amongst others. With online coating, SIOEN doubled the capacity and works with its own shearing plant and paste kitchen. With online or dip coating, the coating bath is directly connected to the weaving loom. With online coating, we produce windbreak nets, nets for rubble and reinforcement nets. These products are manufactured under the name of Veraneman Technical Textiles. SIOEN has 3 fast and powerful lines for transfer coating. Using this accurate and efficient production process, we first apply the paste to the paper and then to the cloth. At the end of the process, we remove the paper. This is how SIOEN produces breathable textiles. Transfer coating is used to produce technical textiles for protective clothing, handbags, airbags, mattress protectors and outdoor sports clothing. The SIOEN extrusion line is unique in the world and processes PVC and other polymers. Granulates or grains are melted on the machine itself into a film on a carrier. Extrusion coating is used for fishing nets, drainage covers, oil dams and in technical textiles for sewer renovations. In the latest calendaring plant, we process granulates into films. Afterwards, some films are given a motif for automobile applications amongst other things. With our new calendaring line, we make technical textiles and films for the automobile sector, including dashboards, door panels, sunroofs and washable wallpaper and pond linings. In this third division of the group, SIOEN also has every step of the process in its own hands. Research and development, design, patronage and production. SIOEN supplies industrial protective clothing. We are experts in the creation and production of very technical clothing that complies with all European and international norms and guidelines. We produce clothing that protects against weather and wind, thermal underwear and t-shirts for protection when working. Our range consists of a multi-layered system that protects the wearer from the inside to the outside. These layers are optimally tuned to each other and work interactively for maximum protection. SIOEN makes high visibility clothing as well as protective clothing for people that work with chemicals or electricity. Protective clothing for agriculture and horticulture or for the food industry is also part of the range. There's a separate range for the fisheries and anyone working in extremely cold locations. SIOEN produces clothing for golfers, sports fishermen and hunters. The brand name Balino is a guarantee of functional yet stylish clothing. Our emergency services such as firemen, police and medical services use the technical high-grade protective clothing produced by SIOEN. We supply bullet and knife-proof clothing to the police, armed forces and security firms. The range also includes technical clothing for foresters and lumberjacks. We produce floating suits, life vests and special clothing for all those who need protection on and around water. In short, SIOEN takes care of all your industrial clothing, work clothing and technical protective clothing. SIOEN is well known for its high quality. That's why in the head office in Ardoi, we have our own labs where we check that products are waterproof, flame resistant, bulletproof and color fast, amongst other things. Our designers combine technical criteria and standards with elegance. The last division of the SIOEN Industries Group is Industrial Applications. Here we process technical textiles into finished products and semi-manufactures. SIOEN is one of the market leaders in side curtains and tarpaulins for trucks and containers. Production takes place in the Ukraine and Poland. SIOEN has invested in automation in both plants. The Industrial Applications Division also produces tents, silos and rolling gates. SIOEN specializes in the design and production of camouflage cloth and nets. We also produce felt, filters, filter cloths and insulation panels. The Young Designer of the Year Alain Berthaud won his award for the silent collection of office furniture and accessories made with felt and insulation panels from SIOEN. In addition, SIOEN produces pond liners and K-doors. These are used to slide a fabric into a profile. Our mission is protection through innovation. Research and development provides SIOEN with new products, markets, production processes and technical properties. Our focus is on growth, profit and market leadership. That means cost-efficient production with the most modern facilities. A quarter of our products are less than 5 years old, and in half of the markets we have only been active for 10 years. In recent years, SIOEN has invested more than 100 million euros in innovative production processes. Market and customer knowledge is crucial if we want to remain innovative. SIOEN follows closely the evolutions and questions of its customers. There is permanent internal and external communication, whereby the innovative approach leads to dynamic action. An important link at SIOEN is the research and development team, with multidisciplinary and polyvalent employees. There's also specific product research and development in every factory. Every year, SIOEN Industries invests in recycling and energy recovery. We use solar panels, and we are working on a recycling program for PVC-coated textiles. SIOEN has an ISO 9001 certificate, the certificate for military tenders and the stringent quality system for automotive applications. SIOEN stands for quality. This is not reserved for production or sales, but features as a common thread throughout the organization. In production, sales, logistics, purchasing, R&D, accounting, etc. Every member of staff makes a contribution to quality. SIOEN Industries provides a stimulating working environment, career opportunities, training and promotion possibilities for the personnel. Our sales staffs are flexible, efficient and fast. They respond to the needs of the customer and build up long-term relationships with clients. SIOEN Industries is financially healthy. We invest in new products and make sure there are opportunities for creative employees and technicians. SIOEN Industries is an innovative company. We are always looking for new products and applications. By taking action today, we are laying the foundations for tomorrow. SIOEN Industries ensures your protection with its hundreds of daily applications. SIOEN Industries, for your protection, because you too rely on SIOEN Industries every day.